This is my home. But that is the end of the world. And over the next 100 days, we're going to see if nature can survive the apocalypse. Is this really the end of our world, or is it the beginning of a new one? And after the bombs dropped, the world fell silent. But despite all odds, life finds a way to survive. A cockroach, and it was not alone. They can survive 10 times the radiation that would kill a human. But beneath their feet, the world is beginning to change. They are not alone anymore. Without humans to interfere, plants begin to grow. It's nature's first attempt to reclaim our world. And by day 32, the house became a refuge for many forms of life. But at the same time, it is becoming unstable. It threatens what little life has returned, as it may collapse at any moment. Something has been chewing through the walls for weeks. Something tiny. Termites, thousands of them. They have no idea of the damage they have done because the house is on the brink of failure. One more bite and it's over. They caused a sinkhole beneath the home. And by sheer luck, the animals were completely unharmed. But not for long, because beneath them, there are other forms of life. Most of them are quite dangerous. But not this one. She is actually quite intelligent. A jumping spider. She must make her way to the surface without being caught. This may be her only chance. But the cave is steep, and a single fall could kill her, so she must be extremely careful. But don't be fooled. She left behind a safety line just in case.